Yo, what's up? Okay for Kids TV. It's FGTV Duddy in the house.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to OK for Kids TV. So I have an idea. I want to ship myself to Ryan's tour review. So I got the box ready to go. You know how the creepy clown always takes my packages? So I thought about bringing a small blaster with me. Good thing I got this dual blast 2-in-1 magic gun from World of Innovation. So this is a cool blaster. You can shoot it with the blaster balls, and you can also fill it with water, and it becomes a water blaster. So let's open it up. We got here, we got 3, 6 balls. Now here's the dual blaster, and I like the color, how it's white and like a dark blue and then like a teal. Okay, so this is where you load up all the blaster balls. I got them in, 3 of them it can take, and I'm going to show you guys how to fill it up with water and what happens and how to fire it. So right here we got a ball, and then we got water, and then we got a rag. Kitchen rag. So first you gotta take this capsule off, and it'll stay on. And then you wanna come over here, and then you wanna open this, and then you wanna have that open, and then you just wanna slowly. So we got the water in it, and how to shoot the water is you just put the trigger and it'll shoot water. Yum yum. And then how you shoot a ball is you just pull this back. Ready? So when you fire a ball, it shoots the water and the ball. Okay, so I got this water blaster ready, aka a dual blaster, and I'm gonna be loading up another one just in case if this one runs out. So I got my blaster ready, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave comments down below so I know when you guys want to see another video like this. Get inside the box so my dad can ship me to Ryan. Okay, so now I'm going to go ship myself to Ryan, but let me make a note. Okay, so I got the shipping label. Now I'm going to put it on the box so it gets shipped to him. We're going to set it right there. So let's now get inside the box. Put the shipping down, open up this box. Now, let me get inside. Okay, so my dad's gonna help me. So let me set these dual blasters on the floor, and he's gonna lift me up. Woo! We're inside the box. Okay, so here's my 2 dual blasters. Now, let me get inside the box. Goodbye. Dad just closed the box, and I got my phone and the 2 dual blasters. And make sure to follow us on TikTok, and I'm watching some TikTok right now, so I hope the clown does not take this package. Okay, so my dad's wheeling me out to the front porch. Whoa, whoa, Dad, whoa, whoa, be careful. Okay, so I'm outside right now. UPS guy is gonna be here pretty soon. I feel like I'm getting enrolled again. Okay, the box are open. Whoa, whoa. Be careful. Whoa. Why are you stealing my packages? Creepy clown, do not come here again! Well, I didn't make it to Ryan's tour review, and I knew that creepy clown was gonna come around here. I'm so mad at him. Well, oh well, at least I scared him away. I hope he does not come back. And if you guys haven't, make sure to subscribe, turn notifications, and leave comments down below. Well, thanks for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up, smash that button, turn notification, and make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Bye, peace out, Keelan out.